Hey guys, this is Paul on Sunday. You probably know us from PS We're on Vacation. So have you ever wondered how we're able to travel the world? Well, we've been flipping houses here in Orville for about the last 10 years. So we thought it'd be a great idea to share some of our experiences on a new channel. So welcome to Flipping Orville. So here's a few projects that we've done over the last several years here in Northern California. So Sunday and I can't tell you how great real estate has been for us. It's been awesome. It's allowed us to follow our passion, which is to travel the world. Along the journey, we created lifelong friendships and a few businesses. It's been really good. Looking forward to doing more. So this project here, Crestridge, is what we'll be focusing on in the next couple of videos. So make sure you follow along, check back, and check on the progress.